everyone and welcome. I'm Julia, aka Neverland to Disney, and this is my packing video. When I'm filming this, I leave in 9 days. 9 days. And I have to pack my whole life for 6 months. So we're gonna try our best. So let's just get into it. This is currently the state of my room. I have a lot of totes and a lot of things everywhere. This tote over here is like all my dorm stuff that came from my dorm that isn't going to Disney with me. That's summer clothes, I think. I don't know. This has been there since I left for college. This is like stuff that's going to Disney with me. That's one tote. This is winter clothes that came from school. This is summer clothes that came from school. This is like Disney stuff, so all of my Disney shirts and stuff in the previous video that I recorded, and this is a sign for my room. You got magic bands and a lanyard in there and stuff. This is also Disney stuff. And here I have some hangers that might make their way to Disney with me. I have ears, Loungefly, more ears. This is also winter clothes, and this is just random stuff in this tote that I just didn't feel like putting away. And then posters from school. I don't know where to start. I think I'm gonna grab my shirts and start packing from there. So I need to grab those totes. I have 3 totes worth of summer clothes to go through. I have a ton of Space Saver bags. I think these are from the dollar store. I think that's where my mom got them from. And then these are all from Target, from the Room Essentials line. So I guess I should just crack them open. I need music though. I broke my fingernail, so that's fun. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through everything. So this is like winter stuff and just like stuff that I wouldn't bring, but this is like my summer stuff. So I think what I'm gonna do is throw all of this back in the tote, and then I'll go through all the items and decide if I'm going to bring them or not, and then we'll organize them from there. I'm a chronic overpacker, and also I hate packing. I feel like I need to preface and say that I suck at packing. Done. This is a process. similar, but we condensed. I have two regular graphic or t-shirts, two regular t-shirts, taking one of my Spirit jerseys and another long sleeve shirt. I have two skirts, 1, 2, 3 dresses, basically taking all of my bathing suits, and these shorts for the pool. This hat is just in the mix, this ear hat. And then I have I have 4 regular tank tops and 1 like workout tank top. And then I have 4 sleep shirts and 4 sleep shorts. And then condensing the Disney shirts was hard. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 Disney shirts, 2 sweatshirts, but I'm wearing one on the plane, and then 4 pairs of shorts. And I still have to figure out my outfits for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I fly down on Sunday, I move in on Monday, and I'm going to Magic Kingdom on Tuesday. So to figure out what I want to wear from this mix. But what I am wearing on the plane is my cast member quarter zip. So I will figure out the other stuff. I picked out my clothes that I'm going to be wearing that I'm going to pack in my carry-on later. But now I have to take all of these clothes and put them in the vacuum seal bags. Clothes, or most of my clothes, in 3 Space Saver bags.
That's good.
They're so like weirdly shapen. To hair accessories and makeup, I don't think much is going to change other than the fact that I need to like pack some of the makeup in my carry-on. Some hair accessories probably too. Should probably take out the stuff that I just didn't use. Good morning, everyone. Well, it's morning for me. It's not necessarily morning for you. Today is Saturday. I just checked in for my flight, so I have 24 hours. What is life? I'm going to attempt to pack everything in like areas, like on my spreadsheet of things to pack. I have like bedroom stuff, bathroom stuff, kitchen stuff. So I'm going to try and pack everything appropriately. We'll see how I do. Also, I need to figure out if I can vacuum seal stuffed animals, because Sleepy Stitch has to go with me. But can he fit in a suitcase? Probably not. So I might vacuum seal him if that works. Hey guys, I know the ending to the packing video was a little abrupt. The editing process definitely took a while, hence why I filmed the clips literally a month ago, I think. Around a month ago. Yeah, it's because my phone wouldn't move the videos from my phone to my laptop, so it all got lost. So I'm sorry about that. Also, I would like to note in the video, I do talk about how much I packed. Do not pack as little as I did. Don't do it. If you are watching this and you're getting ready to pack for the DCP, please do not pack only 4 pairs of pajamas, 2 t-shirts. Don't do it. Don't do it. I have no clothes here. And it is really hard because I flew down, so I didn't have much of a choice. But hopefully when my car gets shipped down, I'm able to get some more clothes, because I don't have a lot here. And I even packed a little extra than what I showed in the video. So I thought I would use that as a disclaimer. I think that about wraps up all that I need to say. So sorry about the abrupt ending. It is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The next video will be my move-in week video, however I decide to edit that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the whole packing process for the DCP, please feel free to leave it in the comments down below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's the same as on here, at Neverland to Disney. I just recently hit 1,000 followers on there, so I'm very excited. Make sure you like and comment and subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video.